Hello, my name is Mark. This is my 2015 Tab Maxxis trailer. Just a quick one today. This is my acrylic window. You can see that a pine cone covered with sap grazed us in the last windstorm here. You can see that. I'll show you a quick tip on how to take care of that. This is natural butter, real butter. Take some of that butter and put on your finger and just smear it. Just smear it. Just gently dab and smear everywhere where you feel some of that muck. I know. I'm handling our butter. So just tap it on there everywhere where you feel some of that on there, and let it sit for a day. Come back, we'll wash it off with some Dawn dish soap and a microfiber cloth, and you're good to go. Don't have to worry about anything. The fats that are in butter are completely compatible with the acrylic and the paint. You don't worry about anything. This stuff is really, really mild. Tastes good too. Anyway, I'll be back in a bit when this is sat for enough, and we'll wipe it off. Alrighty, here we are a few hours later, and I can feel around, and I no longer feel any of the bumps of the sap. So this is just a water bottle that I poked a hole in the top with a knife in it, so when you can spray. Isn't that pretty cool? So I'm just going to take and spray that down like so. And this is facial tissue, not paper towels. Paper towels are abrasive. This is facial tissue. It's very soft. And I'm just going to take it. I'm just going to wipe off the butter. Just like that. And we're going to take some more water. This has got a few squirts of Dawn dish soap in it. Squirt, 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 squirt. And gently wipe it down. And look at that. No butter left. No streaks, no nothing. We are 100% good to go. And I just wipe down the side where it's dripped down. You can't get any more mild than that. That is just butter. And the nice thing about it, it stays put. If I came out here and found that it was still not all the way off, I just reapply, and maybe I'd leave it for a day, maybe 2 days, maybe a couple of days, and it just continues to work. The feature is it stays put. So we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.